This video provides a brief explanation to the free course provided by Complete Electrical Academy. In our 1-hour introductory course, you'll gain a solid understanding of the basic principles of electricity and how they apply to everyday electrical systems. Whether you're simply getting started or looking to refresh your knowledge, this course is designed to explain electrical concepts in a clear and practical way. We begin by answering the question, what is electricity? You'll learn how electricity is created by exploring the basics of atoms, electrical charges, protons, and electrons. We'll also explain why opposite charges attract and how these interactions make the flow of electricity possible. Next, we'll discuss the difference between conductors and insulators, including the materials commonly used for each and why selecting the right material is important for both performance and safety. From there, we'll introduce voltage, current, and resistance, explaining how these three concepts work together in every electrical circuit. We'll also cover Ohm's law, one of the most important principles in electricity. You'll learn how voltage, current, and resistance are related and how this simple formula helps electricians understand and troubleshoot electrical circuits. Finally, we'll introduce the basics of using a multimeter to measure voltage and current while emphasizing safe testing practices. Understanding how to properly use electrical testing equipment is an essential skill for anyone working around electricity. Throughout the course, you'll find short knowledge check quizzes designed to reinforce the material and help you retain the most important concepts before moving on. By the end of this course, you'll have a strong foundation in electrical theory and a better understanding of the principles that power the electrical systems we rely on every day.